Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to understand credit card APRs using NERDWALLET tools. Credit card APRs can be confusing, but they play a huge role in how much interest you're going to end up paying if you carry a balance. Thankfully, NERDWALLET offers tools to help you understand and compare APRs with ease. In this video I'm going to explain how to make sense of credit card APRs using NERDWALLET's resources. Let's get into it. First, let's clarify what APR means. APR stands for annual percentage rate, and it represents the interest that you're going to pay on your credit card balance if you don't pay it off in full each month. Cards can have different APRs depending on the type of transactions, like purchases, balance transfers, or cash advances. To find APR information on NERDWALLET, head over to the credit card section where you browse or search for cards. Each listing includes an APR range, usually something like 19.24% to 29.99% variable. Click on a specific card to open its full review page. Here, NERDWALLET breaks down the APR details in plain English. You're going to see whether the card offers a 0% intro APR, how long that lasts, and what the ongoing APR will be after the intro period ends. Some cards also have a penalty APR, which applies if you miss a payment. NERDWALLET flags this clearly so that you're not caught off guard. If you're trying to minimize interest charges, use NERDWALLET's filter to search for cards with 0% intro APR or lower ongoing rates. You can even compare APRs side by side using NERDWALLET's comparison tool, helping you find the best fit based on your credit scores and of course your financial habits. For extra insight, check out NERDWALLET's articles and calculators linked within the card page. This can help you to estimate exactly how much interest you'd pay based on different balances and payment strategies. Understanding APR is crucial if you want to avoid unnecessary debt and make smart credit decisions. NERDWALLET's transparent, easy-to-use tool gives you everything you need to compare and choose cards confidently. Use these tools to stay in control and to keep your financial journey on track. And that's pretty much it for this video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.